Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Telegram profile link. So in order to find your Telegram profile link, literally all you need to do is open your Telegram app, and then what you want to do is you want to click over on settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now what you want to do is you want to go and head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on edit. Now all you need to do is right here in the change number you will see your username and you want to click on it. And now you will see your username and you can either keep it like this or you can change it to whatever you want. For example, I will change mine to That's Facts JT, just like this. And then literally all you need to do is look a little bit at the bottom of this page where it says this link opens a chat with you. And under that you will see this link, and you can copy this link and you can send it to anyone you want, because this is your Telegram profile link. And when I share it to someone and they open that link, they will get to your Telegram profile and they will immediately be able to message you. So that's how you can find your Telegram profile link. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.